everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen trying to fix her mat. And welcome back to our Espresso Yoga. What we'll be doing today is a short Sun Salutation A. It is a quintessential yoga flow and it always deserves a new video. Roll your shoulders, bend your knees, backs of the hands together, waving up. Upward facing hands. Hips push forward, shallow or deep back bend. Squeeze up. Candle arms, hands together, forearms together. Sink the spine down. Forward fold. Fingers glide up your shins and push yourself up. Never hang in this flow or in this pose. You're pushing yourself up. Bend the knees. Forward fold. Step or hop back. Plank. All the way down. Coming back up to your low cobra, high cobra, or upward facing dog. Push up, plank, bend the knees. Keep your hands and feet where they are. And you're just pushing yourself back to puppy pose. And come into a spinal wave here. Belly up, chest, head down. Two more. Inhale, waving up. Exhale down. Waving up. Exhale down. If you want to take downward facing dog, heels down and straighten your knees. Heels up, knees and elbows bend. Curl your legs up. Forward fold. Inhale, lifting up halfway. Forward fold. Bend the knees. Sink the hips down. Head up. Backs of the hands together. Waving all the way up. Did I say 2 of this? Let's make it 3. Let's progress a little deeper. Hips push forward. Maybe a little deeper in your back bend. Maybe add a drop back of the head. Squeeze up, squeeze the front line of your body to lift. Candle arms, don't sink the elbows down, yes? Create this nice L shape with the arms and upper arms. Sink the spine down and come to your forward fold. Pressing the hands strongly down on the mat, thumbs in line with your big toes. Keep pumping your knees here. Or push strongly down into your hands. Let the head go. Imagine an arrow coming down from your sit bones, down your body, down your arms, into your hands, into the floor, and then up the soles of your feet, up your legs, and back through your sit bones, and imagine that circular arrow flowing. Look through the gap between your legs and as high up that gap as you can. Keep the elbows bent, and this is a deep forward fold. For a deep half lift, keep your hands down and you're pushing yourself up. It's a short distance. Your hands are nice and flat, but you're looking forward, and this is still a half lift. It's the deepest version of the pose. Exhale, forward fold, step or hop back. Allow your body to bounce if you're hopping back. Looking forward, all the way down or halfway for those who want chaturanga. Pushing yourself up, upward facing dog or cobras. Back up to plank, to puppy pose, to downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Good. One more. Heels up. Knees and elbows bend. Step or hop up if you want to hop. Forward fold. Half lift. Height of your choice. Forward fold. Bend the knees. Backs of the hands together. Push yourself up. It's exactly like lifting anything heavy. You lift with your legs. Backs of the hands pressing in to counterpose the wrists. Upward facing hands. Shallow or deep back bend. At this point, you're welcome to open your arms in an ablation back bend if you want. Squeeze yourself up. Candle arms. Sink down. Forward fold of your choice. Bobbing your knees or really fine tuning that circular arrow going through your body. Half lift. I've been doing different heights of half lift. You choose your height as long as you are pushing yourself up. Never hang in this pose. Coming back to your forward fold. Step or hop back. Plank. All the way down or halfway. Cobras or upward facing dog. Back through plank. To puppy pose. To downward facing dog. And do your spinal waves here. From here, step or hop up. Coming back, top of your mat, forward fold. Half lift. You're welcome to vary the heights or the depths of your poses. Forward fold, backs of the hands together, hips sink, head lifts, and lift up. Last back bend. Shallow or deep back bend, parallel arms or oblation arms, opening them up. Squeezing back up, upward facing hands. From here, squeeze your back muscles, engage, activate, contract, whichever word makes sense to you. Circle your arms down beside the body. Just a moment back into mountain pose. A quick shavasana down on the mat if you want, or a mindful breathing. Hands on your body, one on the heart, one across the belly. Feel for the movement of your diaphragm. Deep, full breaths. Allow the body to relax. One more breath. Then flutter the eyes open. Release the pose. And let's get on with our day. Bye!